Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today, as promised, is Saturday, and after a lot of demand, I'm going to do a video that is not going to be on non-altcoin. It's not going to be any Elliott waves analysis involved. I'm just going to do an update on Elrond. What else do I have? 1inch, Chainlink, Binance, Algo, Ethereum, and GRT. Quite a few if you ask me, so I'll try to be quick. Starting with Elrond. Guys, the update is this, that we've had the low we have identified before, right at the channel. This is a very nice rejection, by the way, okay? So now, there is two scenarios over here I'm looking. One is, this is 1, 2, we're gonna go up 3, 4, and 5, and we're gonna go to at least 298, perhaps even to 428, if we take into account that this is, it should be an extension in wave 3, usually it is, rather than just an equality with wave 1. Or the other scenario, which is also possible because we still remain somewhat in a bearish channel, right? We might see something like this and coming down again to 87, perhaps even down to 52 if that breaks, yes or no, for wave 4, yeah? And then we're going to shoot higher. Obviously, the waves are going to change here. So in case that happens, we're going to have to move our Fibonacci extension. Yeah. And if we do so and we go down there, obviously, then wave 1 is going to be anywhere, the wave 3 is going to be anywhere between 262 and 392. Is this going to be a case? Well, as I said, two scenarios is what I'm looking. I'm never going to give you a scenario anyway. So you take this, we keep an eye on the market, we monitor the market and what's happening, and then we decide how we want to trade it, or how we want to, if we want to take out some profit or whatever you want to do, guys, okay? Chainlink, yeah, so we started with Elrond. Chainlink, well, it's moving exactly as we expected. It's just that we missed the top. We were expecting wave 520 anywhere between these levels anyway. We missed it, but I still think that this wave 1 is in, okay? Now, here's what I'm looking, right? We did 61 point Fibonacci retracement over in wave 4, right? In wave 2, though, we did 78.6, okay? This is one thing that I keep in mind, because I want to see these not being the same, okay? I want to see those having a difference. For example, if this is 78, this should be like 38 or something. So there is two scenarios I'm looking here. One, still possible, that we ended wave 5, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is an ending diagonal, as we saw a week ago or so. It's either that we ended at the 38.2 and we're now going to continue up in impulsive wave 3, and that wave 3 is going to be huge. We're going to go to at least 91, yeah, in my opinion, because it's going to be, well, most likely it's going to be impulsive, or, yeah, but of course, yeah, wait for 56 to break first, yeah, or we want to get another move down, yeah, near to the 50 or 61 Fibonacci extension, around 13 or so, and then shoot higher, okay, excuse me, and then shoot higher, okay, my God, and then shoot higher from down here, Jesus, yeah. Obviously, this is going to change our targets. If we go down to 13 or so, we're looking for 48 at least, okay. Let's add the 168 is the right thing to do. 69 as well, the 70. Now, this is one of the scenarios, which is, it has two sub-scenarios, let's just say. The other scenario is this, because as I said before, I don't like how waves 2 and 4 alternate here. The other scenario is that, we are still in wave 5 over here, okay, and we're not done, okay, which means that this is 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4. And we're going to get another move to the upside for wave 5. And we're going to end this cycle wave probably around 44, 50 or so, and then correct lower. Okay? So pay attention, guys. We really need to keep an eye on the markets. This scenario also has a sub-scenario because we're still looking corrective. Okay? We might get another move to the downside. In either case, I would really pay attention to what happens over here. This 2030 zone is very critical, guys. Okay? That's for Chainlink. Let's go for the next one. 1inch. 1inch worked out pretty well, to be honest. Okay. I'm very happy with this particular analysis, to be honest, as well. Here's the thing. Over here, we've done wave 1. Looks like we missed that for a bit, but I don't think it's really important. Yeah. Wave 2 over here. either ended in a double 3, or we're going to see that ending lower around 2.5. I would love to see that, to be honest, or a rejection on this channel, so anywhere between 3.2, because this is going to be an amazing opportunity for me, at least, to go in. Okay, now in case we did the 50 Fibonacci, right, as you can see here, for the retracement in wave 1 at 3.2, in case we break the previous low at 2.9, most likely we're going to head to 2.5. Yeah, now as I said, I will be looking at this as a triple zigzag. If that happens, guys, then we're looking, yeah, well, if we ended here, oops, excuse me, if we ended here, it means that we're going to go for wave 3 around 1320, yeah, for wave 3. If we're going to go lower and we get to 2.5 or so, it means that we're going to go anywhere, so it's a range, maybe anyway between 12 and 14 or so, depending on the correction that we're going to see. So I would be really paying attention to what's happening over here, yeah, because guys, we are still bearish. Okay, I want to see a break above that level and then above 1 to consider that this is a low. Okay, in either case, 13 is our level next. Now let's have a quick look on what is it, Algo. Excuse these levels, guys, is the levels I'm usually selling, so I don't want to lose them. Yeah, well, 1, 2, 3, we expect 4, and we'll go for 5 in wave 3. Okay, now here's the thing. Over here, we did the 50 Fibonacci retracement for 1 and 2, and we did like anywhere between the 61 and 78. In my opinion, I mean, it's possible because we're on cryptos, yeah, but I would prefer to see something like, you know, wave 3 correcting down to the 50 only, okay, not lower than this, wave 4, excuse me, which means I see two scenarios. One is, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, we'll go for wave 4, and we're going to see wave 5. Or the other scenario is that this is 1, 2, we're going to get 3 up here, then 4 and 5, which means this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in the minor degree, okay? In both scenarios, I'm looking at this activity level, guys, okay? Activities, because we've got a W, X, and Y so far here. Are we going to see an X and a Z to go down to 73 cents or so? That would be amazing, a very good opportunity to buy. And then go to wave 3, or did we end this down here? And then this is ABC, and we will continue higher in wave 3, yeah? So pay attention again. We are in a very critical sideways market, guys, for all altcoins, okay? I personally think there's going to be another leg down. Most of them actually look like there's going to be another leg down. Now, what else to say over here? Well, yes, we remain bearish as long as we are below this sort of trend line, okay? In case we have a confirmation, a validation for the end of this move, yeah, then we're going to start looking for wave 5. If we assume we ended over here and this is our low, we're going to go to at least 226. In my opinion, well, I like to see wave 3 extend to at least 161, so we're looking at 315, okay, for the algo. That's it for that. Let's have a quick look on GRT. GRT, very nice scenario here as well. We played it very well indeed. We've got a correction between 78 and 88, and then 61 over here. Again, I'm not sure I like this. In either case, we're still corrective, okay? WXY for a low at 1.25, it will continue higher, or we're gonna send another wave up for another X, and then another leg down for wave Y, for wave Z, sorry. Once we complete this, we're going to get a very nice interaction, perhaps at this ascending channel. Then we're going to have wave 4 in, and then we'll move up for wave 5, yeah? Now, here's what I'm looking at this scenario, guys, yeah? Don't forget, I said before, do I like this? I'm not sure. So it could be a case where this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and this is where we're going to get wave 3. And then we're going to get 4 and 5, okay? Because I want to see a correction that is going to be more shallow in wave 4, okay, than this. Again, in either case, we need to go down to 2, go up to 3, and assuming we ended, wave 5 is going to take us to like around the $4, okay? Because we're in wave 5, we're looking at the rule of equality. Actually, it might be better that we go all the way down here, and we go to wave 1, we'll go to wave 4, yeah, and we'll look at equality, which is going to be around 4, okay, for wave 5. Usually wave 5 is equal to wave 1 when wave 3 is extended. So that's what I'm looking for that. And Binance and then quickly Ethereum. Okay, Binance. We've had a very shallow move over here at 23.6. That's why I'm not convinced that this wave 4 is ended down here. I would prefer to see a more deep correction over here. Okay, perhaps the 61, even lower to the 78.6. If we take into account that this wave count, of course, is correct. Yeah. Now it doesn't look like we're moving up already. We have to break above that level. Okay, and then to move in order to move higher. The good thing is that we remain bullish still on Binance because we retraced over here and we still move above this trend line channel. Okay, guys. So if we enter back in, it's very likely that we're gonna go to 150 and then perhaps even down below the 100 level. Okay, and then continue up higher. Now, as you can see, there is multiple scenarios here for that particular pair as well as with the rest. Now, in case, guys, we're going to break to fresh highs, yeah, wave 3, perhaps even 5, yeah, is going to get us to the 668, okay, because this is going to be the rule of equality if we're looking at the expansion rather than the extension of waves 1 and 2 and 3, okay. So 668. Wait for the low to come in. Do not go bullish until we have some signals that this market is going to be bullish. Okay. And last, what a long video, guys. Ethereum. I'm not gonna take this into account. This is just a spike from the broker, but I will go down on the daily because we can see what's really going on here. Okay. We did, guys, nearly a 95% correction over here. That's why I expect a very shallow move, which means that for Ethereum, we could already be in, okay? I'll be honest. We could already have done this, okay? As I said, I ignore this spike. So 38.2 retracement possible, 1284, 50 Fibonacci retracement, 1056. Guys, I don't want to say very confident, but I have high confidence in this remaining above 1,000 forever. In case we break above wave 3, yeah, we're gonna head to 2426. This is the rule of equality. Wave 1 and wave 5 would be the same at this exact level, 2426, which is a very nice confluence level with the 26 as well, which is the 161 extension of waves 1, 2, and 3, which is again a very nice level to take into account. Okay, now for these guys, yeah, it could be wave 4 could be already in, but it doesn't look in. I will simply show you in the short term because we're still moving correctively. Yeah, look at this. We could be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, go down here and move up. Okay, but as long as we remain in that sort of ascending channel, I will be looking at further price declines, okay, perhaps at 1284 as I said, and then once we break that to 1000, but that will break. It's possible to break below 1000 again, right? But that is going to be the case. So then the next ones, the low is in 2600, and then where is it to? There will go, and then the 3200s. Okay, these are the levels I'm looking. So guys, I want to thank you very much for watching. It's a long video, I know, but most of you asked for an update. I don't want to keep updating one by one. So I hope it's helpful for you. If you have any questions, do not hesitate. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, and share it with friends, because it's very important that everybody is known, really have at least an educated opinion and not some sort of marketeer who goes out and they actually provide no validation, no justification for the buy calls they make. So thanks for watching, and we'll speak again on Monday.